Hey there, welcome to my channel. You are in the right place if you want to learn Android. Hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified when I upload anything new. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to customize a button of an Android application. To modify the button style, we don't need to type any Java code. Now open the XML page and change the constraint layout to relative layout. To make the activity look beautiful, I am here changing its background. If you want to know how to do that, link is in the description below. Now we need a background for our button. To create a background, right-click Drawable and select New, and then select Drawable Resource File. Enter a file name, don't use any uppercase alphabets. Click OK. Here, a new file is created. Delete selector, we don't need this. Define the shape of your button. After defining the shape, define its width and height. Now let us create a gradient. This is very simple, look. To set the colors of the gradient, we first need some colors. You can define the colors by directly using the hex codes, but there is an alternate way if you don't remember hex. Select values in the resource section and then select colors. Here you can create your desired color. Select any syntax and paste it here, then change the color and rename the syntax. Look how I am doing this. After creating the colors, return to the button.xml page. And just set those colors here. Now modify the corners of this rectangle button and make it little beautiful. Now return to activity main.xml page. Add a button here and customize its text style and size if you want. Now attach that background here. Look how I centered the layout in its parent. Now running the code, hope it works. If this tutorial helped you, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Press the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload anything new.